Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone through GarageBand. So you need to go into GarageBand, click audio recorder and select voice recorder. Okay, then you're going to press the icon that looks like a set of bricks till you get to this screen, and then you're going to press the icon on the right that looks like a loop. Then you're going to click Files. Then you're going to go Browse the Files app. So this is where your ringtone should be stored that you downloaded from the internet. And just pick your ringtone. I'm just going to go for Game of Thrones. Wait for that and it should appear in your files with your last ringtone. Then you're going to drag that and drop it into the background. Oops, let's hold it. Okay. I want to say you can play it and check it, just see where you want it from. And what you do is click on it, and then it'll highlight the yellow on the end, and then you can drag it and you can actually choose where you want the ringtone to cut in from. If you want it to start from the chorus or the very beginning or the end, depending on what you want. And then just drag it across like so, and then just play just to make sure that's the right ringtone, that's the right audio you want. So that's done, that's fine, it's just a demo. Okay, then you're going to click the down arrow in the far left to My Songs. Then you're going to find your song where it says My Song and press and hold it, and then click Share. And then share it as a ringtone. Then you can name your ringtone. I'm just going to rename this one Got for Game of Thrones. Then click Export and wait for it to export. Then you can use Sound As, or if you click OK, it will just stay in your library. But I'm going to choose the standard ringtone so I don't have to go into the settings. And that's it. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe.